Hi students, in this video we're going to continue the problems on the projection of lines. So let us consider a problem. A line AB 60 mm long as one of its extremes at 20 mm in front of VP, 15 mm above HP. The line is inclined at 25 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP. So draw its top and front views. So as I said in the earlier, you have to identify the given data in a proper way. So 60 mm is the actual length. So actual length, that is true length, has been given, and any of the one of the extremes, either it may be A or B. I can assume that it is 20 mm in front of VP and 15 mm above HP. So they given 1 point position with respect to HP and VP, and they given the inclination, that is a true inclination with HP and VP. So you have to find its top view and the front views. So I want to go for XY line. I want to select XY line. So specify that X and this one as Y. So I want to specify the coordinate by specifying the VP HP. So I want to specify VP and HP planes. So once you've done this, so first as always we're going to draw the position of a point. So I want to assume point A is 20 mm above in front of VP and 15 mm above. So I'll go for offset option, select the XY line. So I want to select the first 15 mm above HP. So that has to be 15 mm above HP. That has to be on the VP plane because that is HP data. So I want to go for VP plane and I go for left click, then go for right click. So it's going to escape. So I want to take make that definition as locus of point A dash. I want to specify the dimension again. So I want to specify dimension as 15 mm. Now I want to select again offset option, select XY line. I'll go for this one as 20 mm in front of VP. So I want to select 20 mm. So I want to select 20 mm. So it is in the HP plane. So I want to specify the dimension. So it is 20 mm, and I want to define that as locus of A. Then take any of the point on this locus and I'm going to define the points, that is the front view and top view of point A, that is A dash, and this one as A. So once you specify that, go for the next data they given. So next data, they are not given the NB data, they given the line, that is the true length is 60, and they given the angle, that is inclination with respect to HP and VP they specified. So that I want to consider. Take the line option. So select A dash and I have to go for length as 60. The angle with respect to HP is 25 degrees. So I want to take the, that is the locus. So I want to define that as locus of point B dash. And this point I want to specify as B1 dash because it is the true length they get specified. So once you got that one, so the B1 dash has to be projected to the locus A to get its top view. So I want to specify that one as B1. So this I have done by assuming it is inclined to HP parallel to VP. So the first assumption is done. So the true length they specified is 60. I have taken 60. Next I want to assume it is having 60 mm and inclined to VP at 40. So I want to take A, point A, and I want to go for length as 60. The angle as minus 40 because it is going downwards. I go for enter. So I want to get another locus. So that locus I want to define as locus of, so locus of B point. So once you've done that, so I want to define this point which I got on the locus as B2, and to get the front view of that point I want to project onto locus A dash and I want to get that point as B2 dash. So once you got B2 dash, so now this is with respect to when it is inclined to VP at an angle of 40 degrees. So now the true length will be the same. So I won't show the true length again in the top view. Now to merge this, I have to go for arc by center point. Select A dash as the center, B2 dash as the radius. I want to draw the arc. Similarly, A as the center, B1 as the radius. I want to draw the arc. So go for trim option and trim off the excess arc, and I'm going to specify that point as this point one as B dash and this point as B. So to identify whether it is right or wrong, so I can join from B dash to B. So I want to get a straight line. If it is a straight line, our projection is correct. So I want to join from A dash to B and from A to B. So now these two lines are the views of the given problem. So I want to give the thickness as 0.5 and XY line I want to give the point thickness of 3.5. So now what they asked, so I already drawn the top view and the front view. So now I will show the dimension. So the front view dimension will be 45.96, the top view will be 54.38. So if you want, you can show the apparent inclination also. So this inclination will be 30 degrees and this will be having an angle of 45 degrees. So this is how we're going to do the projection of a given problem. So other problems we'll see in the next video.